Dvijapriya Sankashti Chaturthi 2025. Date, moonrise time, rituals and significance. Dvijapriya Sankashti Chaturthi is a sacred Hindu day observed to honor Lord Ganesha. It falls on February 16, 2025. Devotees fast, offer prayers, and chant mantras to seek blessings for the removal of obstacles. The day is also associated with offering modaks and spiritual growth. It is particularly auspicious when it coincides with a Tuesday. Dvijapriya Sankashti Chaturthi is a sacred day observed by many Hindus to honor Lord Ganesha. It is going to fall on Krishna Paksha in the month of Falguna, i.e., on Sunday, February 16, 2025. The term Dvijapriya refers to Lord Ganesha, who is considered especially dear to Brahmins, the twice-born or Dvijas, while Sankashti means the day that removes obstacles or problems, symbolizing the power of Lord Ganesha to help devotees overcome hardships. Dvijapriya Sankashti Chaturthi 2025, date and time. Chaturthi Tithi begins February 15, 2025 to 11:52 p.m. Chaturthi Tithi ends February 17, 2025 2:15 a.m. Moonrise on Sankashti Day, February 16, 2025 9:38 p.m. Dvijapriya Sankashti Chaturthi 2025, significance. The celebration is dedicated to seeking Lord Ganesha's blessings for the removal of obstacles and difficulties in life. It is considered an auspicious day for devotees to fast, offer prayers, and chant the Ganesh mantras, believing that doing so will bring prosperity, peace, and success. The story behind Sankashti Chaturthi revolves around Lord Ganesha's role as the remover of obstacles. It is believed that once, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati were facing a great challenge that they could not overcome. They prayed to Lord Vishnu, the preserver, and requested his help in overcoming their difficulty. Vishnu then suggested that they worship Ganesha, the Lord of beginnings and remover of obstacles. The significance of Sankashti Chaturthi lies in remembering and honoring Ganesha's ability to overcome difficulties, and it is believed that fasting on this day ensures that any obstacle in one's life will be removed by the divine grace of Lord Ganesha. Dvijapriya Sankashti Chaturthi 2025, Puja Rituals. On this day, devotees observe a fast and offer prayers to Lord Ganesha, performing rituals that include reciting Ganapati Atharvashirsha, a powerful Sanskrit prayer dedicated to Ganesha. Many also chant mantras like Om Gyan Ganapate Namah to invoke Lord Ganesha's blessings. Sankashti Chaturthi is especially linked to the moon, and it is customary to break the fast after sighting the moon at night. Traditionally, the moon is thought to have a special connection with Lord Ganesha's Enagyan blessings, as it symbolizes coolness and calmness amidst the challenges of life. Devotees often offer special foods, such as modaks, which are Lord Ganesha's favorite offering, and prepare a special puja in homes and temples. Modaks are thought to symbolize spiritual wisdom and the rewards that come from overcoming challenges. The day is not only about removing external obstacles but also about inner spiritual growth. Devotees pray to Lord Ganesha for guidance and wisdom, seeking success in both material and spiritual endeavors. The day is especially auspicious when it falls on a Tuesday, as Tuesday is traditionally associated with Lord Ganesha and is considered the most powerful day for his worship. However, Dvijapriya Sankashti Chaturthi is considered highly auspicious every year, regardless of the weekday it falls on.